Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. In this video, I am going to tell you how to schedule disk cleanup in Windows 10. Disk cleanup used to clean cache file. You can delete temporary file, recycle bin automatically within a week and every day or within a month. So let me show you how to schedule disk cleanup in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to create a schedule for disk cleanup here. So let me show you. Just type your task scheduler and click on task scheduler, and you can see right side create basic task, or you can click on action and click on create basic task here. Give the name of your task, disk cleanup, then go to next. Description is optional, click on next. Now trigger, so you can select here daily, weekly or monthly. So I'm selecting here weekly. It will run this task weekly. Now click on next here. I want to schedule this task on Sunday, synchronize across time zone, and click on next. Now select here start a program. So what will be action? Will be start a program. Okay, it will start this cleanup program on that time. So click on next. Now we have to browse program here, which program we have to run. Go to browse here and go to this PC, go to C drive here and Windows, go to system 32, go to system 32 here. Now you can see here there is a program file is clean mgr. You can see clean mgr. Just click on open, and argument is optional, start in optional here. Click on next here. Now you can review your task here, disk cleanup, and trigger weekly. So every Sunday it will start program here. What will be action? Action will be start a program. Which program? Clean mgr. Now click on finish here. Now you can see your task has been created here. Now every Sunday task will run, and it will run our disk cleanup. Okay, you can see disk cleanup here. It will run like this. On Sunday it will clean all the temporary files and system files, just you can see like this. So friends, you have seen that how to create task for disk cleanup in Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.